These are the final results, and then you add some sauce. Nice.
You see, you want to take your plantains, you're going to peel them, and you're going to chop them up to this size. You don't want them to be too thick or too thin. You want them to fully cook when they're frying. Okay, once the oil is hot, you're going to want to go ahead and start putting in your plantain pieces. And you're going to make sure that they fry nice and golden brown on both sides before you take them out, before we start the mashing process.
So we're adding olive oil to make this sauce, right? You know, I don't really count how much olive oil, but then we have here some
Fried chicken skin.
Thank you, honey. I was gonna say it, but you got me. So this fried chicken skin is from this farm that is Lectin-free chicken. Also, it's also pasture raised and organic, so some good stuff. So we're gonna keep some of this chicken for where? For the mofongo, and we're gonna put some here for chicken flavor. All right. Some sauce, some strained tomatoes, organic. This is pomegranate. Straight up from Italy, no lectins. This is some tomato paste, also from Italy. Over there they use the method of taking out the skin and the seeds. Alright, so we're gonna add some organic vinegar. Just a little bit, that's a little bit more than what I expected, but it's fine. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Black pepper, that is. Some garlic, that's some the ones that you grind up, and now this is the powder one. Some oregano, some nice oregano. Some basil. We want to add some basil. Basil. There's the basil, guys. Alright. Some parsley. Dried parsley. A little bit of cumin. You want to stir that up. And add some more tomato sauce, because you're gonna see the consistency. You want a nice saucy consistency. You can add some more if you want. There you go. Alright, and some thyme. A little bit of thyme. I like to add some ginger to my stuff, so I'm adding some ginger to this. It's looking good. And I'm almost gonna end, guys. Don't worry. We got some onion powder, how do you call this? Onion powder. Alright, guys. Little bit of more garlic. And that's it. With that, you stir it up, and then you're gonna taste it. If it needs something, then we add it on, but you just let it simmer. Alright? Alright, so we added some cilantro too, to boost that flavor. You know what? I decided to put some herbs. What is this? Herbs that prevents. That's what I decided to do right now. All right. These are the final results, and then you add some sauce. Nice.